In this guide, we will learn about the 2025 Honda HR-V fuse box diagram and location. Discover how to identify, access, and interpret fuse box details to ensure your vehicle's electrical systems function seamlessly and efficiently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2025 Honda HR-V houses essential fuses and relays for critical systems such as the engine, headlights, and cooling fans. It is designed for easy access under the hood with a labeled cover. The fuse box ensures proper electrical functionality and protection. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box in the 2025 Honda HR-V manages electrical components inside the cabin, such as the radio, interior lights, and power windows. Located under the driver's side dashboard, it features a labeled diagram for easy identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.